Hello, my name's Tom Middleton. I'm a channeler of energy. Really excited because I've experienced the live performance in Luton.
Here you go.
This is good. I'm going to look like a bumblebee.
Yeah, let's get to it.
These textures that are coming in and out and the lovely sounds that I want to learn more about. There's certain specific sounds that I loved. I really enjoyed the contrast in position in space and the frequency contrast. It was like a lovely kind of like, almost like a tingle. You're delivering the frisson through the choice of these high frequency sounds.